Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make app of any website in Windows 10 PC. The app is very useful for those users who uses daily basis particular app on browser. After making the app, they don't need to open the browser and type manually the website name. Before the start process, we need a Google Chrome browser to make a app. So let me open Google Chrome browser. Type that website name you want to create the app, but the demo purpose I will enter flipkart.com because I want to make app of Flipkart. After opening the website, just click on the three dot icon, then choose More Tools option, then select Create Shortcut. So now you can see here the online shopping, the name of the Flipkart, but you can change the name, and you can change the name, and you can give a custom name. So let me give a name like flipkart.com. Then enable open as a window, then select create button, close the window and close the browser. Now you can see the flipkart.com shortcut has been created on the desktop. Also you can the search bar like search flipkart.com. The app is created of flipkart.com. Now you can keep on taskbar. So just click on flipkart.com and drag on taskbar. So the app is here on taskbar. Open the app. The Flipkart website is open in the app. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel and turn on bell icon to get notification for new videos. Have a great day.